In just 59 seconds, we can make you a membership site with Tribe Engine that's going to unlock recurring income using nothing more than your cloud storage. This app has already helped bank more than $800,000 online, and now I'm inviting you to unlock your recurring income from home using nothing more than you already have. All it takes is just 59 seconds. Ready? Awesome! Then let's go! Step 1. Connect your cloud storage. Step 2. Select your videos and additional content. Step 3. Create your membership site with just one click. Step 4. Sell your access by adding your payment processor and make a sales page directly inside the app using one of our stunning templates with just a drag and a drop. Step 5. The app will automatically email their login details and sell them additional products for extra cash. And boom! One ready to sell, grow and profit membership site, all set up in less than 1 minute. Stop the clock. No hosting required, no extra costs, no tech skills needed, no previous experience necessary. Totally newbie friendly, profitable, scalable and ultra fast. Plus, with your commercial license included, you'll be pumping out and selling profit-pulling membership sites so fast, you'll be adding your extra income 2 ways. So, whether you're a coach, software launcher, info product owner, influencer, online class, tutorial or course provider, trainer, or simply have a passion or interest you want to share with the world and get paid for it, Tribe Engine is going to help you. Share your expertise and get paid for it. Create a side hustle, open up multiple recurring income streams, and fund your family. Protect your valuable software or information. Put a price on your knowledge and expertise. Drip feed your content and get paid monthly. Lock your exclusive, more valuable content behind higher-priced memberships. Make additional income selling membership sites to local and online businesses. And that's just for starters. Scroll down to check out all of Tribe Engine's clever features and see how much faster and easier it is to use than any other membership site solutions you may have struggled with in the past. Say goodbye to fiddly, slow, overcomplicated membership site solutions and say hello to one that's fast, easy, and just works. There's never been a better time to share your passions and interests for profit online. And there's never been more of a need for you to open up additional income sources and recurring revenue from home. You have everything you need already sat on your cloud storage and inside your head. All you need is Tribe Engine to help you monetize it. It's your time to build, grow, and profit from your tribe. And Tribe Engine is here to make it easier, faster, and cheaper for you to do than ever before. So click below, make your first site in less than 59 seconds, and start profiting today.